Hi, I'm Jim Morris. I'm supervisor of the Gulf Shores Water Reclamation Facility, chief operator here at this plant. About a year and a half ago, we had several odor complaints that started coming in from the neighborhood that sits right outside of our fence regarding the odors emanating from this plant. We installed a misting system that I found online to try to alleviate the odor issues. 6 months of trying out different products. None of them really gave us any kind of success in cutting down the odor complaints. I got with Momar to try the Vanillas in the Mist product. Was recommended to me, and since we've used the Vanillas in the Mist, it's really cut down on the odor complaints that we've gotten from the neighborhood. How we're using the system, we've got the one setting on the tank here at the basin, and the basin tank, it is hitting the odor as it's leaving the tank itself. The misting system we then set up on our perimeter fence between us and the neighborhood. The Vanillas in the Mist product works very, very well in both systems, but we especially like it on that perimeter fence simply because it's our last line of defense before the community right outside. The houses start about 75 feet the other side of my perimeter fence here at this particular facility, and so therefore there's not a whole lot of a buffer zone there. We're kind of a lot like a lot of other plants in that regard, where we've had urban sprawl come right up to the edge of our facility, so it really kind of puts us in a disadvantage as far as the odor is concerned. But we've been very pleased with the product Vanillas in the Mist in our odor control misting system, and to give other folks a good idea as to how we're utilizing the product. We're mixing it. That comes in a 7-gallon pail. We're mixing that with a 55-gallon drum of water, and we're feeding that into the misting system using a chemical feed pump. And we simply dial up or dial back the chemical feed pump based upon either the odors that are emanating from the tank itself or the atmospheric conditions that we're experiencing at the time.